Hey, and welcome back to DanishTube. My name is Liam, and in this video we're going to take a look at what you should be watching on DR, Danmarks Radio. DanishTube. I previously made a video about Netflix, and although this one is going to be about DR, there's one on Netflix that I just have to talk about, and that is Herrens Veje, or Ride Upon the Storm, as it's called in English.
For to, som elsker hinanden, kan volde hinanden mere ondt, end alle de arveste fjender, der hævner sig jorden rundt. God moves in a mysterious way, as wonders to perform.
It's good. It's compelling, it has complex characters, and well, it has Lars Mikkelsen, who in my opinion is the best actor in Denmark. Although most people look to his brother Mads Mikkelsen, Lars has been in some big stuff like House of Cards, Sherlock, The Killing, and as a bonus, Historien om Danmark. You can also see this on DR for free. It's the history of Denmark. My god, nobody presents a documentary like Lars Mikkelsen. Boss, absolute boss. And he's actually been awarded an Emmy for his appearance in Ride Upon the Storm, in which you get a unique perspective on the Church of Denmark. Okay, that's my fanboy stuff out of the way. Let's get on to DR. What am I watching? The Lion's Cave, the Danish version of The Dragon's Den. It's just amazing. Easy viewing. What I love about it, and what is good for people learning Danish, is that it's a conversation basically between a bunch of rich people and some dudes that have some really cool ideas. So it's really down to earth. They chat a bit. Of course, there's some business words that come up, but usually they explain what is this word if it's too businessy. So yeah, what's not to like? Check it out. Next one is clap hat. That is one of these. If you don't know what a clap hat is, and it's also an insult in Danish if you think somebody's a bit of a fool. Din klap hat, man. Hvad laver du, din klap hat? This is a really funny series. It's classic Danish comedy. It's like annoying, a bit exaggerated, a bit embarrassing, but a bit real at the same time. Basically, a football nerd who is suffering from muskelsvind, muscle dystrophy. He wins a trip to the World Cup in Russia. But due to having to share it with an eccentric blabbermouth, he has a bit of a turbulent journey, let's say. Yeah, it's fun. Check it out. Next one is Den Store Dag.
Vi skal have det bryllup.
Kan du prøve at være lidt stille?
Så fik vi det på plads. Jeg kan ikke lide den kjole.
This is a classic romantic comedy. It's a bit of an old movie, but it has stood the test of time. I love this movie actually. It's not too sugar sweet. A great story, great actors, easy watching, funny. Basically a wedding planner falls in love with the groom, and naturally this causes some problems. The next one is called Far. Far.
Eva, hvad er det for noget børnefjernsyn, når hun sidder her? Hun kalder mig en donor. Er jeg det? Er jeg lavet med en donor?
Ja, vi fik lidt hjælp.
Det betyder ikke noget, Kimi.
Det betyder ikke noget. Hej, jeg tror, jeg er din søster. Vi har åbenbart den samme donorfar. Hvad er det, du siger til mig? Vil du med og finde vores far?
Kom væk!
Hvad vil du helst? Spise en kage, der smager af lort? Eller spise en lort, der smager af kage?
Kleptomani, det er en sygdom, Kim. Kleptomani, det er en sygdom.
Se, far.
Actually, I only watched a few episodes of this one so far, but I really like the vibe and the acting and just the general sort of feel of it. Basically, this woman Kim wakes up on her 25th birthday with her hand down her pants, and it all goes downhill from there. She basically finds out that she is et donorbarn, a donor child. She's been, donated. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But the sperm was donated at least, and she didn't know this. So she finds out on her birthday and then goes on a mission to find her real father. Also finds out she has a sister, sort of ambushes her and tries to get her to come along. And that's as far as I've got so far, but I like it, and when I get time, I will continue watching it. So check it out. The last one for today is Den skyldige. The guilty. I had to think then, my brain was really going slow. The guilty. Den skyldige.
Det ringer.
Det er alarmcentralen. Taler jeg med Iben?
Hej skat.
Har du drukket?
Nej, det har jeg ikke.
Ja, for helvede.
Hvem er du sammen med? Iben ved personen, du er sammen med, at du har ringet 112?
Nej.
Er du blevet bortført?
Ja.
Iben?
This is a prize-winning movie. It's an amazing movie. Really, really good. Basically, a police officer gets a phone call from a woman who's been kidnapped. The call gets cut off, and then he sort of goes on a trail trying to save the woman. And it starts to cost him, and he starts to, do things he shouldn't be doing according to his job and his boss or whatever. It's really easy to follow, and it's memorable. Like, sometimes you watch a movie and you don't really remember, like somebody say, hey, you've seen this movie? Yeah, but I don't remember shit about it. This one I remembered, because I was just scrolling through DR and saw it, like, oh yes, that one was fucking good. So yeah, check it out. Remember, if you're not in Denmark, you of course won't get Danish Netflix, and some of the content on DR won't be available also. So what you need is ExpressVPN. Check it out, link in the description. Best VPN ever, use it. Well, that was it for my Danish picks on DR. Let me know if you've seen any of them, if you have any other suggestions, and I will see you again in the next one. If you like the information you got in this video, you can donate any amount you feel is equal to the information you received. Link in the description. The least you can do, give a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you again in the next one. Vi ses. Danish.